Intuit. Accessibility.
This video will show you how to add a new vendor on QuickBooks for the iPad using VoiceOver. Starting from the top left corner with the navigation button, flick right 2 times until you hear the global add button and double tap to open the menu.
Navigation. Company activity. Global add button. Global.
This menu begins with customer. Flick right once to hear vendor and double tap to create a new vendor.
Company vendor.
A new vendor window has appeared in the center of your screen. Flick right until you hear name and double tap to edit and add the name of your vendor.
New vendor. New vendor. Heading. Save button. Name. Text field. Double tap to edit.
Following name is company name. Flick right to hear the text field and double tap to edit and add a company name.
Company name. Text field. Double tap to edit.
Following company name is phone. Flick right to hear phone and then flick right again to hear the text field and double tap to edit.
Phone. Phone. Text field.
Double tap the add phone button to add another number such as a mobile or fax number.
Mobile. Fax.
Following add phone is email. Flick right again until you hear text field and double tap to edit and give an email address.
Email. Email. Text field. Email. Text field. Clear text.
Following email is website. Flick right again to hear the text field and double tap to edit and give a website.
Website. Text field. Clear text.
Following website are the address fields. If you're at the current vendor's location, you can just autofill current location by flicking right until you hear this option and double tap and it will autofill all the fields based on where you are. Otherwise, you can flick right and double tap to edit the individual fields of your address.
Address. Address. City. State. Zip code. Zip/postal. Country. Autofill current location.
Following the address information are your default payment terms. Flick right after you hear this and double tap to hear a menu of items, which you can flick right and choose which are your default payment terms for your vendor.
Default payment terms. None. None. Due on net 15. Account number. Text field. Account number.
Following account number is tax ID. Flick right and then double tap and edit and give a tax ID.
Clear text. Tax ID. Text field. Double tap to edit. $1,099 vendor. Selected. 1. Fax. Account now. Default payment. Save. Button. Save. Vendors.
You have now been brought to your vendors page and a new vendor has been created.
Intuit. Accessibility.